What's the meaning of Christopher Isherwood? Christopher Isherwood. Christopher Isherwood.
Christopher Isherwood. Christopher Isherwood. Christopher Isherwood was an English-American novelist and playwright. He is best known for his novel Goodbye to Berlin, which inspired the musical Cabaret. Isherwood was part of a group of writers and artists who relocated to Southern California in the 1940s, and he later became a naturalized U.S. citizen. His writings often explored themes relating to homosexuality and identity, and he is considered a major figure in 20th-century gay literature. Isherwood's work continues to be celebrated today for its honest and compassionate portrayal of LGBTQ+ experience.